How to change virtual location with Turbo VPN. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to change your virtual location with Turbo VPN. So in order to change your location, you have to first of all go ahead and open up your Turbo VPN. When you're logged in, by default it's going to direct you to the home page. Now if you're using the free version, you may encounter some ads. Now you can close any ads to access the main interface. Now on the main screen, you'll typically see the large tap to connect button right at the bottom, so you have to go ahead and click on it. When you press on it, you'll get connected to a virtual location. When you press on it, you'll see the virtual location displayed on the screen, usually with the flag icon representing the following country. Now to change your virtual location, tap on the location display. This will open a list of available server location. So just like that, in here you can see the list of options available. So in order to change your virtual location, you can go ahead and select either one of it. When you do that, you can get connected to the following location, and that's basically how you can change your server location with Turbo VPN. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.